Very good morning, children. Children, today is our first lecture of EVS 1. Let me first introduce myself to you all. Myself, Miss Gauri Raut, and, and I'll be teaching subject EVS 1 to you all. Okay, children? So now, I want you all to take out your EVS 1 textbook and also take out a pencil along with you. Today we'll be starting with lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. Okay, children? So I hope you all have the textbooks along with you and also the pencil. So let's begin with our lesson. Children, tell me, आप लोग जब भी खुले ग्राउंड में आते हो, मैदान में आते हो, और जब आप लोग ऊपर देखते हो तो क्या दिखता है? यस, खुला आसमान दिखता है. Yes, children? So, when we look up from an open ground, what we all see, children? We all see the sky. Sky मतलब आसमान, right, children? In a clear night sky, we see many stars. मतलब रात को स्काई में क्या दिखता है, चिल्ड्रन? यस, वी सी मैनी माइन्यूट टाइनी स्टार्स, राइट चिल्ड्रन? छोटे छोटे स्टार्स दिखते हैं. यस, हैव ऑल ऑफ यू सीन दी स्टार्स? यस, दे आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम आवर अर्थ. बच्चों, क्या उन स्टार्स को हम छू सकते हैं? नो, वी आर नॉट एबल टू टच दो स्टार्स, राइट चिल्ड्रन? वॉट डज दिस मीन? दैट द स्टार्स आर वेरी मच फार अवे फ्रॉम अवर अर्थ. यस चिल्ड्रन? नाउ some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. ओके, इसका मतलब कुछ स्टार्स जो है वो बड़े दिखते हैं साइज में और कुछ स्टार्स छोटे छोटे नजर आते हैं. राइट चिल्ड्रन? यस, इफ वी लुक एट देम केयरफुली we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. चिल्ड्रन, अगर उन स्टार्स को गौर से देखें तो what you will see, you have learned the poem in the nursery, twinkle twinkle little star. Yes children, so you all know that the stars twinkle. Yes, but सब stars twinkle नहीं करते. Okay, some of the stars twinkle and some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to our earth. Okay children, sun और moon ये दो close होते हैं, okay, अपने earth की. So we can see their round shape clearly. Children, have you seen the shape of the sun and the moon? Yes. What is the shape? Yes, they are round in shape. Okay, and since they are close to our earth, we are able to see their shapes. Okay, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets are all known as heavenly bodies. Okay children, heavenly bodies का मतलब क्या है? सन, मून, स्टार्स, प्लैनेट्स, ये सब मिला के हेवनली बॉडीज होते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, once again I'll repeat. The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets all are known as heavenly bodies. Okay children? Yes. Now first we will learn about stars. What is a star? Star के बारे में हम जानकारी लेंगे. Okay children? Now when we say stars, the first thing that comes into our mind is what? Twinkle. Yes, twinkle twinkle little star. Yes children. So the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called as stars. Okay, what is the definition of stars children? The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called as stars, and since they twinkle they have their own light. Okay, stars have their own light. Okay, so they twinkle. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Okay children, what we saw first about the stars, we saw that the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called as stars. Okay, next we saw is what? Stars have their own light. Thirdly, we saw the sun is a star and it is closer to us than any of the other stars. Okay, and hence it appears big and brilliant. Children, can you all see the picture of the sun here? Yes. How is the sun? The sun is bright or the sun is dark in the color? Yes, the sun is bright. Yes. And is the sun small or the sun large? Of course, the sun is large. Okay. Since the sun is closer to our earth, so the sun appears big and brilliant. The word brilliant means bright. Okay, children? In its bright light, during the day, we cannot see other stars. इसका क्या मतलब है children? कि during the day also, there are stars in the sky. Okay? हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि स्टार्स सिर्फ रात को होते हैं, राइट? बट दैट इज रॉन्ग. स्टार्स आर ऑल्सो देयर इन द डे, बट वो हमें क्यों नहीं दिखते चिल्ड्रन? क्योंकि सन का लाइट इतना ब्राइट रहता है कि उस लाइट में स्टार्स नहीं दिखते. ओके, इन इट्स ब्राइट लाइट during the day we cannot see the other stars. Okay children, so that was all about stars. Okay, next we come to planets. Children, have you heard about the word planet? Yes, you have heard it in third and fourth, right children? What are the planets in our solar system? Can you name them? Yes, everybody will know their names, right children? Okay. What are they? We will see Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Okay children, so these are the planets in our solar system. Once again I'll repeat. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. These are the planets. Okay children. Now what are those that we will see in detail? The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called as planets. Children, we had earlier seen about stars, right? Tell me, stars twinkle or not? Yes, stars twinkle, but planets do not twinkle. Okay, children? So, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called as planets. Okay, children? Planets do not have the light of their own. They get light from the sun. Okay, children? Stars क्या करते हैं? Twinkle. So, stars have their own light, right? उनके पास उनका खुद का लाइट रहता है. But planets twinkle करते नहीं हैं. So, planets के पास उनके खुद का लाइट रहता नहीं है. तो फिर कहाँ से आता है उनका लाइट? सन उनको अपना लाइट देता है. ओके, अपना थोड़ा लाइट देता है. These planets get light from the sun. Okay, children? Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Okay, children? Planets क्या करते हैं? They revolve around the star. मतलब स्टार के आजू बाजू में गोल गोल घूमते हैं. Okay? And they also rotate around themselves. मतलब खुद से भी उन लोग रोटेट होते हैं, रिवॉल्व होते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन? नेक्स्ट, द सोलर सिस्टम. Our Earth is a planet. Okay, just now we took the names of 8 planets, children. Once again, I'll repeat the names: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Okay, the third planet was what? Earth. So, our Earth is a planet and it gets its light from the sun. Okay, since planets do not have their own lights, the sun gives them its light. Okay, children? So, our Earth gets its light from the sun and it moves around the sun. Okay, and its movement around the sun is called as what? Revolution of the Earth. Okay, children? Once again, I'll repeat. The Earth moves around the sun, and that movement of the sun is called as revolution of our Earth. Okay, children? Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets. We all just now saw what are those planets. Yes, children? They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, children? Pluto is also a planet, but it is a very small planet and it is very far away from the sun. Okay, children? Yes. Now, turn the page number 2 of the textbook. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. Okay, children? Every planet, मतलब हर एक planet जो सोलर सिस्टम में मौजूद है, that revolves around the sun and उसका एक स्पेसिफिक पाथ रहता है. ओके, पाथ यानी कि रास्ता रहता है. ओके, दिस पाथ इज नोन एज द प्लैनेट्स ऑर्बिट. ओके, उस रास्ते को ज्योग्राफी के लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? ऑर्बिट. ओके, प्लैनेट का पाथ, प्लैनेट का रास्ता, मतलब प्लैनेट्स ऑर्बिट. ORBIT. ओके, ऑर्बिट, planets orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets, that revolve around it are together called as solar system. Okay children, solar system का मतलब क्या है? The sun which is a star and the planets that revolve around it, मतलब sun और planets दोनों को मिला के जो चीज बनती है that is called as solar system. Okay children, once again I'll repeat. The sun which is a star and the planets that revolve around it are together called as the solar system. Okay, besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Okay, solar system में सिर्फ sun और planets ही नहीं है, it has various other heavenly bodies. What are those bodies? That we will now see one by one. Okay children, now we'll talk about other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Children, up till now we had seen what? We had talked about stars. Yes, then we had talked about sun. We talked about planets. Okay, and we had talked about what is a solar system. Now we'll see what are other heavenly bodies in the solar system. The first heavenly body other than sun and planets is satellites. Okay, now we'll see in detail what is the meaning of satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. These are called as satellites. Children, we all have seen that planets revolve around the sun. Yes, children? But there are some things that revolve around the planets. So these things are called as satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. Okay? सैटेलाइट्स को भी अपने खुद का लाइट नहीं होता है, सो दे ऑल्सो गेट लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. वी सी द मून एट नाइट. यस, मून कभी दिखता है? नाइट में. यस, इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ, हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. Okay children, the moon which you all see during the night, what it does, it revolves around the earth, hence it is called as the satellite of our earth. Okay children, you can see the picture of the moon. Yes children, okay. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. ओके, मोस्टली सभी प्लैनेट्स के अपने अपने सैटेलाइट्स होते हैं. ओके, दीज प्लैनेट्स रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन. ओके, ऑल प्लैनेट्स हैव देयर ओन सैटेलाइट्स एंड दे रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन. ओके, along with their satellites. Now see this picture of the moon. This is the moon on a full moon night. जब भी मून फुल मून के रूप में आता है उस टाइम का ये पिक्चर है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ओके. The next heavenly bodies that are there in the sky are dwarf planets. Children, the word dwarf means छोटा सा, small. Okay, once again I'll repeat. The word dwarf means what? Small, एकदम छोटा सा. Okay, there are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Okay, they are called as dwarf planets. What is the meaning of dwarf planets? I had already mentioned that the word dwarf means what? Small, छोटा सा. Okay, so the heavenly bodies that are smaller in size and they revolve around the sun, such bodies are called as dwarf planets. Okay, of these, the well known is Pluto. Children, where have you heard the word Pluto before? Yes, right. I had mentioned it earlier that Pluto is a planet, right? But I had also mentioned that Pluto is very, very small and it is far away from our Earth. Yes, children? And so it is called as a dwarf planet. Okay? Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. Okay? Dwarf planets जो होते हैं वो रिवॉल्व करते हैं but they independently revolve around the sun. Okay, and they have an orbit of their own. मतलब उनका भी एक अलग रास्ता होता है. ऑर्बिट यानी कि रास्ता यानी कि पाथ. Okay, so dwarf planets, they have their orbits of their own. Okay, children. Now the next heavenly body is what is called as asteroids. Okay, children, these all are new terms to you, but you have to by heart these terms. Okay, children, the word is asteroids. Okay, so now we will see what are asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. Okay, मार्स और जुपिटर के बीच में छोटे छोटे हेवनली बॉडीज हैं एंड उन बॉडीज को वी ऑल से दे आर एस्टेरॉइड्स. ओके, उन्हें एस्टेरॉइड्स कहते हैं. एस्टेरॉइड्स ऑल्सो रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन. वंस अगेन चिल्ड्रन, आई विल रिपीट व्हाट आर एस्टेरॉइड्स. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called as asteroids. Okay? And asteroids also revolve around the sun. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. The moon is closest to our earth. Okay? Moon अर्थ के सबसे क्लोज है. ओके, दैट इज वाई इट अपीयर्स टू बी सो बिग, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. Children, if you all see the sun and the moon, दोनों ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल दिखते हैं ना साइज में. yes, the sun and the moon, but the moon is closest to our earth. Okay, and so it appears same as that of the sun, but sun is huge than moon. Okay, now children, a diagram of solar system is given below, and in it you will see the sun in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolve around it and their orbits. Okay, children, the planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all a part of solar system. Children, what things are a part of solar system? The sun, the stars, the planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids. Okay, children, all these are a part of solar system. All these form a part of solar system. Okay, children. Children, now see this image. Okay. Now, children, the brightest or the bright one, what you all can see in the picture here is what? Sun. Okay, and see हाउ बिग इट इज. यस, सन ही सबसे बड़ा है. यस चिल्ड्रन. एंड देयर इज एन ऑर्बिट अराउंड इट. सर्कल जैसा जो है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एन ऑर्बिट. ओके, पाथ. ओके, एंड on the left hand side you can see some planets. Yes children, just zoom and see. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, right? And see moon. How small is the moon? Yes children, you all can see how much is our earth and how much is the moon. But children, as moon is closest to our earth, it appears big. Okay children, so on the left hand side you can see Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Yes, and on the right hand side you can see planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and at the last and far away you can see what is called as Pluto. Yes children, and as I had said earlier, Pluto is a dwarf planet, means a very 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 small planet. Okay children, now children, I hope you all have understand this. I hope you all have understood the session, the lecture. The next part of the lecture we will continue in the next session. Okay, thank you.